All right, big breaking news coming in. This is after the Chief Secretary had written to the doctors. They'd reached out to the doctors. We're getting to know that a general board meeting is underway. This meeting is being held by junior doctors. It's going to last about 30 to 40 minutes. In this meeting, the doctors are going to decide their next course of action. After that, they're also likely to, hold a presser, and they're likely to clearly state what exactly do they feel. So that's a big breaking news coming in at the moment. We are getting to know that the doctors are holding a key meeting. Pooja is joining us live on the broadcast. Pooja, can you give us more details really on what what the doctors are planning now? We believe a crucial meeting of the junior doctors is underway at the moment.
Well, we know that tomorrow the Supreme Court is all set to hear the matter once again. And the last time the Supreme Court had heard the matter, they had categorically set a deadline for protesting junior doctors to return to work. However, that did not happen. And today is the 7th straight day where they are continuing their protest in front of Swasth Bhavan. And the Chief Secretary of West Bengal government has now, in fact, written to the protesting junior doctors and asked them and invited them to come for a meeting with the West Bengal Chief Minister and other officials at Chief Minister's Kalighat residence at 5 p.m. today. However, there is something very important which the email carries. It says that this is the 5th and the final time that the West Bengal government is inviting protesting junior doctors to come for a meeting with the Chief Minister. So a very, very stern, stance being taken by the West Bengal government, and they've categorically stated in that email that as the junior doctors have spoken in the press also, that there will be no video recording or live streaming of the meeting. However, minutes of the meeting will be shared with the protesting junior doctors. So the delegation of junior doctors have been asked to come a little before 5 p.m. so that they can meet the Chief Minister and end this impasse. However, on the other hand, there is a crucial general body meeting that is underway right now at Swasth Bhavan, where the junior doctors have been protesting past 6 days, and they are yet to decide, or they are going to share in a short while from now whether or not they are going to attend the meeting or not, and whether they are going to place any demands or conditions ahead of the meeting with the Chief Minister.
All right, and help us understand really, how is the Chief Minister now making another outreach attempt to the doctors? Because earlier we had also broken that the Chief Secretary had written a letter to the junior doctors asking them to come to the CM's residence to hold a meeting at 5 p.m. today.
Well, absolutely. We've seen the kind of drama that unfolded on Saturday evening, where the Chief Secretary had written to the protesting junior doctors asking them to come for a meeting with the Chief Minister. While the email did not say that they are going to allow live streaming or not, but when the protesting junior doctors arrived at the Chief Minister's residence, for 3 hours straight, they stood outside the residence. They did not enter the premises. We've also seen how the Chief Minister came out to urge the junior doctors to enter the residence and hold the meeting with the Chief Minister. But the junior doctors were adamant that they want live streaming or video recording. But by the time after 3 hours, the junior doctors decided that they can settle for the minutes of the meeting to be shared, and there was no demand of the live streaming and video recording. The government officials informed the junior doctors perhaps it was too late to hold the meeting. So today, what we know right now is that the West Bengal Chief Secretary has written an email to the protesting junior doctors asking them to come to the same place, which is the Chief Minister's residence in Kalighat, for a meeting between the junior doctors and the Chief Minister in presence of other government officials at 5 p.m. today.
All right.